Hello, Sam Spinella, your real estate guy with Spinella Group at Antero Real Estate. I'm excited to introduce to you our most recent listing at 1023 Thistle Court, right here in Sunnyvale. Let's go take a look. This beautiful Sunnyvale home is located in the wonderful Ponderosa Park area. Nestled on a quiet court lined with large trees, this peaceful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home is move-in ready. This functional floor plan gives you a large front room and spacious back room off the kitchen, both with gorgeous floor-to-ceiling windows that make it easy to admire the lovely garden areas. Each bedroom is spacious and well thought out. This home is a short distance to Brawley Elementary, Peterson Middle, and Wilcox High. Close and convenient to stores, restaurants, entertainment, and just 2.5 miles from newly renovated downtown Sunnyvale to make any commute quick and convenient. On the weekends, you can enjoy a stroll to Ponderosa Park, play a round of golf at Sunken Gardens, or partake in many other family-friendly activities. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like more information on 1023 Thistle Court or any other property, please feel free to reach out to me directly. If you have any real estate needs at all, my team and I are here and happy to help. Take care.